Been some time since I took this one out. Got some dust on it. Turned the battery on and I still got power. This thing goes about 70 miles per hour. It's got the top speed gear on it. Let's go get some run as soon as the cars get out of my way. We got the wheels turning and you can hear the speed. See if the differentials are cleaned up. There we go. That thing is screaming. There's a new pothole down right about there. It's got no stabilization, so here we go. Gonna pop a wheelie. Gonna try to figure out if this is my steering right here. Give it a turn around. Full throttle. Now. So here we go. Take off. One more time. Take off. And you hear the power. And we'll just give some control now. That's what it's all about, controlling that throttle.